Hi, I'm Brennan, and together with Anand, Rue, Raymond, and Nan, we are graduate students at the University of Michigan. This semester, our team worked with GE and GE Digital to evaluate their web presence from the perspective of millennials, with the aim of attracting top talent and to make their content of their websites more compelling. GE Digital is an industrial Internet of Things company based in San Ramon, California. Their products provide industrial companies with valuable insights to manage assets and streamline operations. Their cloud-based operating system, Predix, connects streams of machine data to powerful analytics and people. We created a timeline for the semester in order to complete these analyses in a timely manner. We used a variety of methods in our research for this semester, including an interaction map, which allows us to gain a better understanding of the information flow throughout a system, as well as user interviews, where our goal was to better understand the millennial population and learn about their perception of GE, as well as their expectations for how a company like GE should present themselves online. We spoke with 5 people from diverse backgrounds such as design, information, public health, and public policy. Next, we created 3 personas and scenarios to reflect the different needs, concerns, and backgrounds of people we interviewed. We used our personas and scenarios to help frame the design of our surveys and usability tests. Next, we performed a comparative analysis, including 9 other companies similar to GE, with the goal to identify strengths and improvement opportunities. We compared GE to direct competitors such as Siemens and IBM, partial competitors such as Google, Amazon, and Cisco, and various other companies we thought shared some similarity with GE. Next, we conducted surveys and analyzed data from 86 respondents, where our goal was to find out how millennials perceive companies, find out which aspects of a company attract top talent, and how GE can improve the user experience of their website. Next, we conducted heuristic evaluations, where our team carefully evaluated the overall usability of the system using 9 out of the 10 Nielsen usability heuristics for user interface design. Lastly, we conducted usability tests, where our goal was to better understand how users interact with GE's website and retrieve useful information. Our tasks were designed to help us understand how millennials navigate GE's website to discover job opportunities, learn about GE Digital, and discover products offered by GE Digital. All of these methods provided valuable insights and led to 5 sets of key findings and recommendations. Our first finding is that the GE homepage currently only serves as a gateway to other GE websites and does not provide any basic information about GE as a whole. More specifically, we found that the homepage currently lacks information that users have come to expect. The search bar, containing scrolling search suggestions, gives users little direction, and users expect information such as the latest news, projects, and initiatives to be easily accessible from the homepage, and that the homepage lacked a social media feed. To address these findings, we recommend that the homepage should be outfitted with more information to give users a better understanding of GE as a whole. They could add content that humanizes GE by showcasing their values, highlighting GE's current projects and initiatives, showing what life at GE is like, and also showing the latest post by GE on social media. Our second finding is that GE's websites are not easy to skim. Specifically, the use of text overlaid on images reduces readability, information hierarchy is unclear in many cases due to the use of interactive sliders, the use of industry jargon could possibly confuse novice users. Additionally, we compared GE's website to IBM and found clear differences in the overall readability that stemmed from the design and organization of the content. To address these findings, we suggest that GE implement a clear information hierarchy and limit the amount of interactivity required to access information. Additionally, we recommend the use of simpler, beginner-friendly terminologies along with the current industry jargon. Our third finding is that there were inconsistencies in the design, layout, and navigation throughout GE websites. More specifically, many GE websites lacked breadcrumbs, the organization of navigational elements are inconsistent and confusing to new users, each sub-website has a different design which makes it difficult for users to navigate. This is in comparison to Microsoft's website, which maintains a consistent design language and layout across all Microsoft sites. In order to address these findings, we recommend that GE implement a common style guide, the use of breadcrumbs on all GE websites, standardize navigation across GE websites, and establish usability guidelines. Our fourth finding was that job seekers did not have easy access to the general information they need during their job search. According to the results of our survey and usability tests, it was difficult for users to find pages such as About GE, company values, current projects, and rotational programs. In order to address these findings, we recommend that GE reconsider the information shown on the GE Careers page. Specifically, we suggest that the content on GE Careers be easy to access and easy to skim. Our fifth finding was that job seekers had difficulty finding relevant jobs and did not have easy access to important job posting information that they expected to find when applying or searching for jobs. Specifically, our usability tests revealed that users found the job search to be confusing and difficult to use. Additionally, our heuristic evaluation found that the job search portion of the website did not work well on mobile devices. In order to address these findings, we recommend that GE take steps to simplify the job search process by reducing the number of filter options or hiding the optional filters, and simplifying the job search and reorganizing job descriptions to make it easy for job seekers to know if they're eligible for the job post at a glance. Information such as qualifications and requirements and essential responsibilities should be prioritized and placed at the top. Lastly, GE should make it easy to access pages about GE from the career page. In summary, our interviews and survey responses helped identify our users' key concerns and priorities. This helped us choose which sections of the website to look at for heuristic evaluation, and the problems we found there helped us design the tasks for our usability test. Some of the shortcomings of our research are as follows. We could not make a comprehensive interaction map of the entire GE website due to its scale. We did not know the target user for the existing GE website design, which we assumed to be customers and investors. We are unsure about how additional persona types could affect our overall recommendations. All interviewees that participated in our study were U of M students, which is not a fully accurate representation of the intended target demographic. We believe that the appropriate next steps would include creating an in-depth stakeholders map to set the stage for future user-centered research and design development, conducting interviews with existing GE employees, specifically those who fall into the millennial age group, conducting a short survey after job application to see how easy or difficult it was to apply, A/B testing a redesigned homepage, or correlating usability findings with website analytics data. That wraps up our project with GE this semester. We would like to thank General Electric and ESAR, our contact at GE Digital, for giving us this amazing opportunity, as well as Professor Joyjeet Paul and the GSIs for their guidance throughout the course. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us at teamgaia@umich.edu.